This is another $1 product. It's a mock security camera. $1. Yes. I don't want to use it as is. I just want to see if I can mount a camera inside or make a lamp out of it with one of these LED bulbs or this. So let's unbox it and take it apart. Wall mounting screws. Interesting. 2 free batteries. Nice. All for $1. Wow. This is kind of cool. It's a tube instead of a wire. Yes. Wow. You can actually modify the direction. That's awesome. And you tighten it down. It looks like a camera. Okay. Enough of the fooling around. Let's see, how do you take it apart? The batteries don't have an easy access somewhere. Well, I guess not. Let's see. Yes. Oh, this comes off. Right. Oh, and here's the battery. Interesting. Let's try it first. Yes. That's all she wrote. You can't blink. Hey. That was only one blink. One. And that was enough. Hey. Can you blink some more, please? You have to turn it on somewhere. What? I can't find anything. It's probably defective. For $1. Oh yeah. Let's see what's inside then. 4 screws. Or we can take... let's take off the front. That's more interesting because that's where I want to put the... It almost perfectly fits. Let's see the inside. Okay. Oh, it's out. 2 more. These are really small screws, or what? I can't feel it if it's out or not. Oh yes. This is really stupid. It wasn't supposed to blink. It's directly connected to the batteries, and that's it, with the resistor. Now that's really stupid. Really. Okay, if they say so. So if I put this back here. Oh, I don't have to put it back because the cover will cover it. How is it? Oh, like that. So I can put that bulb in like this, and it will be a cool lamp, I think. Let's get this stupidity out of here. This fake LED. It's not even a real LED system. It can't blink. That's why they are selling it for $1. But anyway, I'm not interested in that. I bought it for the outer casing. Maybe I'll put a webcam in it, or a real video camera that is not meant for the outside, but this box will protect it. So let's see. If I take this off, the glass remains, and this piece of plastic. And I can just pull. Well, I'll have to glue it in. But it looks okay, I think. Maybe. Well, that's a project for another day. Right now, I'm going to laugh a bit more about this system. Should we measure the voltage? How much it gives the LED? Let's see. 20 volts, like that. The two batteries. Yes. Let's see how many volts it wants to give him. All of it. 3.1. That's both batteries. What? It's the same voltage here. The resistor is bad. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Well, I wasted $1, maybe. Okay. Funny.